Hello friends, how are you doing today? My name is Sridhar. I'm an architect and interior designer. Also do project management in interior fit out. Today I would like to guide you through some beautiful information regarding the best family places to live in Visakhapatnam. So I'll be going from bottom to top, wherein you'll be having good guidance regarding this particular Visakhapatnam area, so that if at all you want to invest in your future for real estate, in those terms, I will be telling you regarding all the 10 best places where you can invest. Okay. So coming to the top 10, I'm going to start from bottom. So I'm going to start from Madhurwada. Okay. Uh, Number 10 comes is Madhurwada. This is a place with good amenities where you can find residential spaces, and a lot of projects are coming up in apartments like community based apartments. This is a place where it's slightly close by to IT says. It's around 3 to 5 kilometers within the range in this Madhurwada area. So people who are thinking in terms of taking a flat or any property in this area, I suggest you to take right away, okay? Because this is close to IT. Next, in couple of months, if you are coming with Infosys or TCS, here it will be very good property if you are looking in terms of rents, okay? So as you can see, this Madhurwada is a very nicely located place. It is having a lot of IT says development in this particular area. So people who are interested, definitely you can try this place. Okay. In the next place, you can think like it is close by to Madhurwada. It's called Rishikonda. This stands as number 9 in if you want to live as a family in this particular city of Vizag. Rishikonda is like it is located coastally next to the beach itself. You have a lot of beaches and recreation spots near Rishikonda. So if you are having a plan, definitely you can also invest in Rishikonda area. This is also quite near to IT spaces. This Rusikonda area, it's going to be a premium place. Why? Because people who would like to opt in this area for their real estate investment, definitely you'll be having a scenic environment other than Madhurwada, okay? Because this is just right in the next to the beach, so the price range for the flats will be quite high, slightly high, not too much, but it will be slightly higher. So if you want to invest, you can invest here as well. Now coming to the eighth place in Visakhapatnam, we have this business place called Zagdamba Center, where uh, the movie theater was there since 45 years or so. Since my childhood, I know this Jagdamba Center. It is a popular place for both commercial and residential activity. So whoever wants to live in this place, it is much crowded area, but if you want to commute here and there, it's within the city. So if it, you can think in terms of pollution, it's slightly higher. when compared to Rishikonda and Madhurwada. Here we have no pollution here, especially in Rishikonda area there is no pollution at all. So in the seventh place coming is the Bhimli. Okay, Bhimli is also a coastal area for families looking for tranquility by the sea. Okay, so this is a very calm space and slightly upcoming now with real estate ventures as well. In Bimli, we have BBG and other real estate developers who are in the market already. You can definitely look into those areas for investment in real estate. Here you can find a lot of fish basically in Bimli, both lot of fish actually, so you can enjoy this living next to the sea and have a good food as well. So people who are trying to look in terms of investing in Beamly, this could be one of the option. Why? Because international airport is coming close by. So in and around also you can start investing in this real estate in Beamly area. Now coming to the sixth place in Visakhapatnam, where if you want to live, is Sitamadara. Sitamadara is a residential area that offers calm atmosphere with many parks and green spaces, close to shopping malls, schools, and hospitals. This is the place in Visakhapatnam where we have doctors' colony. So all the major doctors who resides here. And it's a good place to live in. It's one of the top real estate places in Visakhapatnam. So if you are trying to own a flat over here, you can definitely look into some of the options like CMR developers, which is like yeah, they are coming up with a venture right in the Sithamdara area. Similar to that, you have a lot of activity that has been in the real estate, like Lamson Properties. There is a huge 33 floors project of around 680 flats, kind of a thing, wherein you have helipads and things like that. Still, you can look into those kind of real estate opportunities if you are still looking for a quite a decent space. Also, in this area, there are several other projects that are coming up as floor wise, where you can take a complete floor of say 2000 to 2400 to 2600 square feet, one floor at a stretch, so you can directly land in your own flooring, in your own floor. That's what I meant to say. That kind of projects are also coming up since 3 4 years. So if you are looking for a real estate opportunity to invest in, this is one of the best place uh, where you can find between 8500 rupees per square feet to around 10 to 11,000, depends upon the amenities that they are giving. This is the best place I would like, because I have been there in that place. I would also recommend if you are looking in this area. Okay. Now coming to other place is Gojwaka. It is one of the prime industrial and residential area with affordable housing options, well connected to key commercial and industrial hubs. It was quite located like from airport. It is around 4 to 5 kilometers away. Current airport from Gajwaka to any industrial hub like Pharma or Patanagar, any Gale or all these things, it is within the proximity of 10, within 8 to 10 kilometers range. So, but it is slightly industrially polluted area. Schools, everything are there in this particular area. So, my best bet is who wants to be closer to any farmer place and things like that. You can try this kind of an area so that you can look into the business ventures of real estate. Okay. Now coming to another prime locality that comes like fourth, that is like Tower Gardens. This is the heart of the center where you have a lot of shopping malls, lot of joints, lot of transportation, connectivity, all these things are there. All movie theaters, all these things are very close by. All the commercial activity, major things happen in this particular area. Educational, everything is there. It's a mix of urban convenience and green spaces. So parks, everything is there. So if at all who is more interested to look, who wants to stay on the concrete kind of a jungle with very busy activities, so they can opt for this particular thing. Here you can find a lot of commercial activity that is already there in place since 30 years. So whoever wants to uh, have a time in Visakhapatnam, this is one of the central location. So you can try your bit in this particular as well. Now coming to the third place, that is Pedagante. This is a quiet place and a serene area with large plots and modern amenities. It's coming up in that side, Pedagante. So a lot of major roads commuting is much easy. So a lot of slight development is happening in that particular area because of this pharma and all these things. A lot of hospitals are also there. So my best thing to you is my best advice is if you are looking for a larger plot with good villa kind of a thing, definitely you can look in this particular area. Now coming to the other part of the city is comes. This is an area which is going to be future. You have to have your eyes open and you should start looking in terms of investing here also. This is like Sheelanagar. Recently, our Deputy Chief Minister also tweeted regarding this particular infrastructure that is coming up from Sabavaram to Sheelanagar, which is the connectivity, 6 lane connectivity. Road is going to come up. This is cleared by Mr. Amit Shah very few days back, around 20 days back. Here, Sheelanagar is going to be one of the prime area. So here also people can start investing in this particular area so that this is a quite a very decent, quiet place. It is all residential area wherein you can find apartments and villas also and individual houses also. You will feel close to nature because most of the place behind Sheelanagar is still green till Duvada. So I suggest you to look in this particular area also. So you can get something like 4,500 to 6,500, 7,000 range per SFT flats. So upcoming projects also, RAM-K, all these things, big developers are doing couple of projects. So definitely you can try here. Now comes the number one spot is MVP Colony. MVP Colony is one of the prime area in Visakhapatnam, which is Asia's largest colony. Okay, it is. I don't know about the acres, but it is very well planned, good transportation connectivity, and green surroundings in each and every space. So in all the sectors, it is a well developed residential area with proximity to schools, hospitals, and shopping centers. Small kind of shopping centers you can find in each and every road. You can find eateries, all the MEP colony area. It's quite a decent space. Here also residential zone like for apartments and individually who are trying to do. It's definitely tough to get a real estate property here, but I would suggest you can look in these terms as well. So my best bet is again out of all these things, you look into the aspects of Sitamadara area as well as Shilanagar, which are in future there will be certain growth corridors for definitely high returns. Okay, so I would go through once again just for your brief. Uh, Number 10 spot is Madhurwada, number 9 is Rushikonda, 8 is Jagdamba Center, 7 is Bhimili, 6 is Sitamadara, 5th is Gajuvaka, 4th is Tava Gardens, 3rd is Pedagantiada, and number 2 is Shilanagar. Number 1 spot is MVP Colony. So, if you want more videos on real estate, construction, interiors, or project management, do let me know in the comments below. I will be able to guide you, help you in these terms. You can definitely get in touch with me on a one-on-one call. We will be able to let you know with a minimum fees with regards to any of these services that you would like to take on. All right. So for now, I'm going to end this beautiful video. Thanking you once again. My name is Sridhar. I'm an architect and interior designer and project manager. We do projects in India, in Vizag, Kakinada, Srikakulam area, and Rajahmundry. Now also we are targeting more in Vijayawada and Guntur area as well as in Nellore, Tirupati area as well. So also not only here we are trying to do our projects internationally in Dubai on the interior front, giving our services. We also take up assignments on build and design and also on ECBC implementation projects and also on edge buildings. So if at all whoever wants to take any kind of services in this particular areas, please get in touch with us. My name is Sridhar. I'm an architect and interior designer and project management. Thank you for your time. I will come back with the next beautiful video very shortly. Thank you.